6 reasons you need to know about YouTube paid membership. Hello folks, this is Sam from Tigers Schooling, and I brought you really 6 important tips that you can know that why there is a YouTube paid membership. Number 1 reason is YouTube Red. What I mean by YouTube Red is that paid memberships of YouTube was only present in YouTube Red, but they brought it here for all the audience, so everyone can take a benefit and use it for paying money. You're not getting money, you're actually paying money for good things. So what is included in this paid membership? Okay, so there are two important things that are included in the paid memberships. Number 1 is YouTube Music Premium, and number 2 is YouTube Premium. So the number 1 reason is YouTube Music Premium. That is, you get free music without advertisement, and that's a lot of bunch of music you can use by yourself. And the number 2 is YouTube Premium, which also includes 4 points. That is you are using YouTube Premium to watch videos that are advertisement number free. So our number 3rd point is free advertisement video, so there is no ads going on the video. And the number 4 is you can download videos and watch them offline. That's the best feature, I think. So it was not present in old devices, but it's present in this one. So what you can do, you can download videos to watch offline. That's a good feature. The number 5th feature is background play. What I mean by the background play is you have to, and you have the right, and you can play music while just you have opened the YouTube. You can take down the browser in which YouTube is playing, and you can do another work. So it's simple. This is the first time they have given this opportunity that you can do other work while using your Android phone or iPhone, whatever you're using. You can hide that thing and do other work, and still the music or whatever is being played on YouTube will be played. And number 6, that is rentals, purchase, and paid channels. So here they have made a little bit confusing thing, is that you can pay for buying you can rent or pay or whatever you can do for the channel subscriptions. But the problem is you will have to see advertisements. There is ads ongoing the original YouTube Premium, which contains videos. So that's the problem. But overall they have given us a good chance to explore something new. We really like it. So here we go folks, and keep visiting Tigers Schooling, and for more, please don't forget to subscribe.